Hey guys, welcome back to Rad City Design Studio. I just wanted to make a very quick video to let you in on this little game-changing secret that I'm really excited about. I just bought this from Amazon. It came yesterday and I got a chance to set it up today. And I really feel like it's going to be a game changer when it comes to my product shots, taking photos. And really, I hope that it will enhance my business, not only my YouTube channel, but also my jewelry making business. So I can't believe I waited this long to invest in this. And for about $33, I am excited to see what it can do. So I'll show it to you now. A light box. It's currently set up next to my printer on my in my office. Not a lot of room left in my craft studio, but this is so cool. It's literally, it just like folds flat. It's made of canvas and it's really neat. It popped up, it took 2 seconds to put it together because it just pops up. This part folds down. It came with a bunch of different backdrops, which I think is really cool. And so in this particular room, which is where I do all my editing, the lighting is okay, but it's very yellow. And so I lose a lot of the good color. But in here, and I'll show you, I'm going to just place that inside there. And I'm just going to try to prop it up along the back there. Close this. And then this lifts up. Trying to do that with one hand is not easy. I'm going to just stick that to the top there. I don't know if that's really what you're supposed to do, but that's what I've been doing. And then the light turns on. And it can go from really a low light all the way up to a super ultra bright light. And then you've got your isolated backdrop. And then again, you can control how bright you want it, how dark you want it. It's so neat. And then, like I said, it came with a bunch of different colored backdrops. I have white in there right now, but I also have a blue color, green, black, orange, and gray. So you can use this for a lot of different things. What I plan to do is literally just use cardstock or scrapbooking paper or something like that. I know that it looks a little grainy. That's just because I haven't zoomed in a lot, but the photos I've taken with it so far are really nice. So it's so cool. And it was really affordable. It was only, I want to say 32 and change. But you can really get a lot of use out of it. It folds up super easily. It has a little carrying handle down here. So there is, opportunity that you could take it outside, wherever you want. And you can obviously you want to have some place that you can plug it in at, because it does use power and it does plug into a standard electrical outlet. But I just think this is going to be such a game changer. Let me try putting something else in there. So I'll take this out. Sorry, I don't have this set up on my tripod. And then I'll put this in there. Trying to do this one-handed is not easy. Like that. Okay. All right. So that's it with super low light. Let's go a little bit brighter. Yeah, that looks so good. And then so you get the real true color. It comes through. You don't get any of that weird yellow light, which makes everything kind of look very home shot, which there's nothing wrong with that. I think that adds a lot of personality. But if you want your items to be a little bit elevated, this is really, really going to make a change. So yeah, I didn't want this video to be super long, so I'm going to go ahead and end it here. But if you want to check it out, I'm going to have a link in my description of where you can buy this. And you'll certainly see more product shots coming from here, and, you know, all different types of things. I'm really, really excited to see how useful this is going to be, how much I stick to using it. It's been very cold outside in Florida and it gets really hot. So I'm hoping this will allow me to take more shots inside the house without having to worry about the natural elements. So thank you so much for watching. If you've stayed on this long, go make something awesome today. And as always, stay rad.